Hey guys, this is Jam, jamonline.ph, and what we have here is a really interesting device. So this is the GPD Win 2. So as you can see, it's running Grand Theft Auto 5. That's the real Grand Theft Auto 5, and we're not actually streaming on this device. The device itself is running Grand Theft Auto 5. So this one is actually powered by a Intel Core M3 processor. There's an 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of M.2 SSD storage. I'm going to talk about that later, which is located here. And of course, this one is made for gaming. It might not have an NVIDIA GPU inside, but it will be powerful enough to run most games at the lowest settings, but also be able to fit in your pocket. So why is this called the GPD Win 2? Well, the GPD Win was actually their first Windows gaming device, and it actually has a similar buttons to the GPD One. So as you can see here, we got here the Xbox-like controls, but however, we also got the X, square, circle, triangle over here. The analog is over here. So this is actually also the mouse of the device. So you only need to switch this one to mouse mode. The other one is gamepad mode. So with this mouse mode, you can actually control the cursor of the device using the right analog stick, and also use the left click using this one, the L2. So it's really cool, and if you want to use the scrolling, you could actually use the D-pad of this one. However, we're gonna play GTA 5, so we're gonna use the gamepad mode over here. And this is also the full size, no, not full size, the full keyboard of the GPD Win 2. It's different compared to the GPD 1 because we do have the F1 to F6 over here, the volume mute, volume down, volume up, the L3 over here, select start, and also the Xbox mode. We also got here the navigational keys, the tab, caps, lock, and shift. So it's actually not the best feeling for typing. You know, it's really small, and it's actually recommended using this one for typing using our thumbs, because you know the keys are really small. So as you can see, this one is also a little bit thick. Well, it's understandable. It's running a full Intel Core M3 processor that was also used on your laptops. And on the back, we got here the R1, which also serves as the right click of the GPD Win 2, the R3, the R2 over here, and then of course we got here the L3, L1, and L2. So we got all the shoulder buttons that we need on the GPD Win 2. We also got here the USB Type-C that is also used for charging, and also the USB 3.0 and the micro SD card slot over here in case the M.2 SSD isn't enough for you. So I'm gonna show you some gaming demo of Grand Theft Auto 5. We're using the charger, but however, GPD promises that it will have the same performance as the one with the GPD Win 2 that is not plugged into the charger. So let's try out this one. So the FPS of this game isn't the best one, but I think it's around 15 FPS, but it's really playable. But before we proceed to that, let's check out the graphics settings. So see here. Oh, sorry. So as you can see here, we're on 720p, FXAA off, anti-aliasing is off. We got the shader quality at high, normal texture, normal reflection, normal everything, high, sharp, normal. So everything is pretty good. I mean, it's running pretty well. I mean, the graphics is just fine for me. Nothing to worry about it. Okay, so cancel. Back. Yes. Done. Okay, so let's try out this game. So we're gonna use R2 and L2 for this one. So as you can see here, we could drive pretty well on this one. It's actually not 30 frames per second, but the thing here is that this little device can actually run a PC game that is really heavy. I'm still amazed with it, sorry. And as you can see, we're driving against Frank over here, and you could actually notice that there's a dip in frame rates, but again, this one is a handheld device. You'd actually complain about the frame rates if you have a handheld device like this that can run GTA 5. You know, the funny thing about this is that you can actually play GTA online with your friends and just play it on the GPD Win 2. The GPD Win 2 in your pocket while your friends are, you know, in your PC in their PC at their homes. It's really good. Okay, so yeah, basically that's it for the GPD Win 2. Actually, we also have another demo over the other side. It's actually running FIFA 2018, the latest game from EA, I believe. So this one is really cool and really awesome. So it's powerful enough to run most games. So I'm pretty sure that it can probably run most, you know, applications that you run on Windows, whether that's Office or I don't know, some heavy Excel stuff. So yeah, I guess that's it for hands-on off the GPD Win 2. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now is the time to subscribe. So once again, I am jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching our hands-on off the GPD Win 2.